Good morning, mathletes. My name is Special Agent No, and what you just have witnessed is a surveillance tape of our two missing agents. Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to assemble a team of up to 3 members. You and your team will complete a series of tasks which will help identify what happened to our missing agents. Everyone in your team must participate, and to achieve these tasks, it will require teamwork, but at the end, everyone in your team must submit their own reports for this mission. Yesterday, at 1300 hours, we received a distress call from our agents. Before we lost contact with them, they were able to send back this video footage of an unidentified bear.
Roger, roger. Station calling. Mayday, mayday. This is Alpha, Foxtrot 5, Tango X-ray. Do you copy?
Your first task is to identify what type of bear this is. The bear in this clip has a weight of 225 kilograms and can travel up to 60 kilometers per hour. For your second task, I would like you to convert the bear's weight from kilograms to pounds. In order for you to do this, you and your team may need to know that 2.2 pounds equals to 1 kilogram. Once you have calculated the bear's weight in pounds, tell me, how many more times does this bear weigh than you? At this moment, all of our researchers are busy working on different assignments. For your third task, I would like you and your team to convert the bear's unit of speed into a different unit where it's easier to work with. As mentioned before, the bear can travel at 60 kilometers per hour. I want you and your team to convert 60 kilometers per hour into meters per second. Faced with a bear, one of the biggest problems people have is whether to run away or not. For your fourth task, I'm going to put you and your team in charge of creating an experiment that somehow measures your running speed. You will write a proposal. In your proposal, you will need to list the materials you will need, how you will carry out the experiment, and what each person in your team does. If your proposal is accepted, I will give you all the material for you to run out this experiment. Everyone in your team must participate and record their own time. And mathletes, remember to record all your data and calculations. Once you have completed this experiment and have your running rate of speed calculated, you're going to tell me how many times faster is a bear compared to you. Now mathletes, before I give you your fifth and final task, you have to make sure that task 1 to 4 is fully completed first. You have to calculate the bear's speed. You have to calculate your own running speed, because the fifth and final task uses those data. For your fifth and final task, what you're going to do is analyze what went wrong with our agents. I will now go in detail with you what happened. Yesterday, at 1300 hours, we received a distress call from our two missing agents. Our two missing agents were on a secret mission in the Kennedy Trail when they spotted a bear staring at them 150 meters away. Now, stricken with fear, our agents only had 2 choices to make. Option 1, run away from the bear and hope that they can get to the nearest cabin, which is 300 meters away. Or option 2, play dead and hopefully that the bear will leave you alone. At this moment in time, we are unsure of which option our agents chose. What I request you to do is analyze both options using your own rate of speed and tell me which is the best option to take. In option 1, if you decide to make a run to the nearest cabin, which is 300 meters away, if you can make it there first, then option 1 works better for you. bear reaches the cabin first before you reach there, then there's a good chance that you'll be mauled to death by the bear. In that case, you would have to choose option 2. Mathletes, remember one thing. What you do in class is math possible. What you're about to do is math impossible. Good luck.